In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix outdated WooCommerce template files. We'll be doing this directly from your WordPress dashboard, and the goal is to identify which template files are outdated, understand what's overriding them, and then fix the issue in the safest order possible. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, go to WooCommerce and then click Status. This section gives you a technical overview of your WooCommerce setup, including any template override warnings that may be causing compatibility issues after a plugin update. When you're on the status page, scroll down until you reach the templates section. This is where WooCommerce lists any outdated template files detected in your active theme or child theme. Take a moment here and carefully note the specific file paths being flagged, along with the theme that is currently overriding them. This is important because it tells you exactly where the outdated files live and whether the issue is coming from the main theme or a child theme customization. Before you start editing anything manually, update your theme first. This is the most important step for many sites because outdated template warnings are often caused by an older theme version that hasn't caught up with the latest WooCommerce release. In many cases, simply updating the theme will replace the old template overrides with newer compatible ones. To do that, check for theme updates through the dashboard under Updates, or use your theme provider's normal update method. If you're using a child theme, remember that the parent theme may need to be updated first, but you should also confirm whether the child theme contains WooCommerce template overrides of its own. If your theme is already up to date, or if there is no available update, then the next option is to manually replace the outdated files. This step is best for users who are comfortable working with theme files. The idea here is to compare the outdated WooCommerce template files in your theme against the latest versions provided by WooCommerce, then bring over any necessary custom code instead of blindly copying old files forward. That helps preserve your design or functionality while still restoring compatibility. After that, merge any custom code carefully, then verify everything on the site. Test the affected pages, especially product pages, cart, checkout, and account areas, to make sure they still look and function correctly. Finally, clear any site, plugin, server, or browser cache so you're viewing the latest version of the templates. That's how you fix outdated WooCommerce template files in a clean, practical way.